Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are learn and write 10 make sentences. So let's begin. Number first is jump. Jump. She jumps on root. She jumps on roof. Next है buy. Sita is buying new scooty. Next, lock. The door is locked. Next, M. Rahul M is become mayor. Next है drive. Ramu drives a car very well. Next, college. He go to college today. Next, tea. We takes tea in the morning. Liar. My uncle is liar. Writer. Ramu's father is famous writer. Next and last ride. He is riding bike. Okay everyone, thank you for watching.